Hi, this is Monica with Run, Eat, Repeat, and I'm answering your questions from the Instagram story question box. And this is one that's come up a lot. So I'm answering it here, and I will do a whole post on runeatrepeat.com with the steps for this. In case you want some more information, you can check it out there. The question is, what is a stride? And this has come up a lot recently because I just did the Run Faster 5-day challenge, and this was one of the workout examples that I gave, strides. Now, a stride basically is a running drill to help you get faster. It's great for focusing on your form. It is a short burst of speed, and it's not a complete workout, but it is a great drill to help you build confidence, work on your form, and also kind of pay attention to your effort level, because in the 20 to 30 seconds that this drill lasts, and each one lasts about that long, you want to get up to about 80 to 90% effort. That's not something we do a lot, especially if you're training for a longer distance race. So a half marathon, full marathon, you're not usually doing a ton in that effort zone. So it might take some trial and error as you figure out what that feels like for you, but to do it, you want to find somewhere that is flat and free of obstacles, including people, so that for about 20 to 30 seconds, you can run. From the start, you are going to accelerate to 80 to 90% effort. Like I said, hold it there for a couple of seconds and then coast to a stop. Total, this should last about 25 seconds, and go back to where you started. You can walk there or jog there, but that is your recovery period, and you can try it again. I would say to start off with, maybe do about 4 of them, and then in 4 to 6 weeks, if you are using a running log and kind of tracking your progress and you feel good about it, you can add a couple more reps. But you want to make sure that you are doing this somewhere where it's, like I said, obstacle free and at the end of an easy run. So you should be completely warmed up, but not super tired. And I would only incorporate this once a week. Everyone is different, so you've got to do what works for you. But in this time, when you are using this kind of drill, it's a great time, especially if you're new to speed work, to get to know speed work a little bit, get to know your body a little bit, get to know how it feels to run at this all-out effort level. I will put the step-by-steps how to do this on runeatrepeat.com, so you can check it out there. And if you have a question for me, you can leave it below in the comments, you can email me, you can call me, or leave it in the Instagram story box.